Welcome to this very short introduction to the term artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence is one of the three stages of development that the scientific world expects AI to take. So there's going to be a development that can be split into three parts. First, you have narrow artificial intelligence, which is intelligence that is not very sophisticated. It may be very good at performing one or two specific tasks, such as calculating or predicting the weather or stuff like that. So very focused task, but not very human-like in its behavior. Then you would have general artificial intelligence. That is the stage that you reach when you have artificial intelligence that is as good as a human. That means that any task that a human can do, the AI would be able to do so as well. For the AI to be able to do this, it means that it has to be as good as a human is on all the parameters that define what it is to be human. So it has to be creative, it has to be able to drive a car, it has to be able to engage in a conversation, it has to be able to detect feelings of other persons and so on. So when the AI will reach such a state, it's called general artificial intelligence. So it means that the AI can do anything that a human can do. And now we get into the part that this section is about. It's called super artificial intelligence. Super artificial intelligence is when AI is capable of doing tasks better and more intelligent than humans would be able to do. And the scientific world expect the graph to follow something like this. Of course, nobody knows because this is a projection of what AI could develop into. So it'll take a long time for AI to reach the stage from the narrow artificial intelligence where we are now onto general artificial intelligence, because it's very difficult to get the last elements up and running. One of the examples I mentioned before, getting AI to detect feelings of humans and emotions and so on, that'll be tricky. But maybe or maybe not, we'll reach a stage where we come into general artificial intelligence. And if we do, then there is a consensus of AI really exploding exponentially, because then AI will be extremely good at doing the things that humans can do. But of being a technology means that it's not only going to be 10% better, it's going to be 100 or 1,000% better. So it'll engage in a very steep learning curve after we have reached the point of general artificial intelligence. And it means that we will reach this stage that I mentioned before, super artificial intelligence. If we reach this stage, then it means that the AI will be better to do any tasks than humans can do. It can do it faster, it can do it more precise. And it also means, or at least some people would suggest that AI is the last greatest human invention, because artificial intelligence at that stage will be able to invent everything that we have known faster and better and so on. So all significant inventions beyond this point will be made by AI. And of course, this also means that human beings are no longer the most intelligent, not species, but entity on Earth. That will be artificial superintelligence that will be smarter than us. So there's a lot of dimensions and perspectives if we ever reach this stage. And of course, there's a discussion whether or not it is possible in the scientific world. That's not for us to discuss now. For now, this was just a very short introduction to what is artificial superintelligence and what can you use this for. If you're more interested in the two stages before artificial superintelligence, then you can either watch a YouTube video here on the YouTube channel explaining those two concepts to you, or you can read articles on Cognifirm.com that also can explain this concept to you. So I hope you enjoyed this short introduction to artificial superintelligence. Thank you.